Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and this is our last topic of chapter 1, that is Roman numerals. I know that in previous class you also studied, but again I am going to teach you about some basic concept of Roman numerals. So, in Roman numerals, there are 7 basic symbols. As you know that I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, and M stands for 1000. So, by using these symbols, you can write down any numbers. Now, come to the next point, some important rules of the Roman numerals. Now, the first rule is V is never subtracted. What is the mean of this? It means V never be subtracted from anyone. Second rule is I can be subtracted from V and X only. Third is V, L, D are never be repeated. I will explain also with the help of example. And fourth rule is I, X cannot occur to the left of X. Now last rule is no symbol is repeated more than 3 times. Now first I will teach you how to form the number with the help of Roman numerals. If you have to write down 22, so how you will write down? You know that 22 is the combination of 10 plus 10 plus 2. So for 10, what you will write down? For 10, you will write down x. Again there is a 10. So what you will write down? X. Next is 2. So what you will write down? 2 times I. Clear to everyone? Now if you have to write down 52. So how you will write down? For 52, you will write down 50 plus 2. There is no need of writing down like this one. This is I am writing only for you. So you will solve the question directly. So for 50, you will write down L, and 2 you have to write down. So you will write down I 2 times. Acha, now if you have to write down 90, if you have to write down 90, so how you will write down? Remember, if you have to write down anything to the right hand side, it means you are going to add. If you have to write down left hand side, it means you are going to be subtract. So 90 you have to write down. So 90 means you have to do 100 minus 10. Clear to everyone? You can also use 80 plus 10. You can say that sir, 80 plus 10 is also 90. 70 plus 20 is also 90. But tell me, is there any symbol present for 80? You can see the chart, there is no any symbol for 80. Is there any symbol present for 70? No, there is no number for 70. Clear to everyone? So what you will do, you will only use this one because there for 100 there is a C, and for 10 there is X. So for this, what I explain, if you are writing anything right hand side, then it means you are going to add. If you are writing to the left hand side, it means you are going to be subtract. So for 100, what you will write down? C. Tell me one thing that you will write the next one to the right hand side or left hand side. Now here you can see you have to subtract. So for subtraction you have to write down to the left hand side. So for 10 you will put what? For 10 there is X, so you will write down here x. This is the your correct answer. So clear everyone? If you have to add, you will write down right hand side. If you have to subtract, then you have to write down where? Left hand side. So this is the basic concept of the Roman numerals, how to write down. Now come to this point, some important rules of the Roman numerals. So now I am going to explain the question based on this. Now what is given? First rule, V is never subtracted. So for this I am going to take one example. For this you can take any type of example. First is given V is never subtracted. So according to yourself you can take any type of example. Like if I am going to take V x. Clear to everyone? So what is the mean of this? V is left hand side of the x. So it means V should be subtracted from x. But in the rule, what you know that V is never be subtracted. This is you will write this is meaningless. Why meaningless? Because you know that V is never be subtracted and here V is to the left hand side. Now next is I can be subtracted from V and x only. Clear to everyone? What is the mean of this? If you have to write down 9, so how you will write down? For 9 you will write down 10 minus 1. Clear? You can also say, sir, that I can use 7 plus 2, 6 plus 3 also 9. But for this 7 there is no symbol in Roman numeral. For this 6 and 3 there is no for this 6 there is no symbol. So what you will do, you will write down, first you will write down 10. Achha, 10 you will write down. Now you have to subtract. So now easily you can say you will put the next number is right hand side to the x or left hand side to the x. Here you have to do the subtraction. So you will write down to the left to the x. Clear to everyone? And you know that the I can be subtracted from only V and x only. Okay. It means I can only subtract from only V and from only x. Now third is V, L, D are never be repeated. So for this you can take example. V, L, D are never be repeated. If I will write this one. So this one is what? Correct or incorrect? This is incorrect. This is also meaningless. Clear? Because V will never be repeated. Clear? Because you know that, sir, this is 5, this is 5, so 10. But you know that for 10, this number is given in the Roman numeral. Okay. Now, I and x cannot occur to the left of x. Clear? Fourth rule is I and x cannot occur to the left of x. It means if you will write I, x and x, this is also meaningless. Clear? Clear to everyone? Why meaningless? Because I and x cannot be subtract from x. Clear? Because this is 9, this is 10. Clear? So if you have to write down 19, so what is you will write down? X, I, x. This is the correct form. This is x means 10 and this means 9. This will become 19. Clear to everyone? Now, next rule is no symbol is repeated more than 3 times. Clear na? So, if you are writing x, 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 it means what? It means 10 plus 10 plus 10. It means 30. But if you are going to write this is 10 4 times. So this is what? This is meaningless. because you cannot repeat any number more than 3 times. You can say that this means 40, but this is incorrect. If you have to write down 40, so how you will write down? You know that. Clear to everyone? So this is meaningless. Now, so these are the 5 rules. Always remember, v is never be subtracted. I can be subtracted from v and x only. V, L, D are never be repeated. I, x cannot to the left of x. And no symbol is repeated more than 3 times. So student, this is all about to the Roman numerals. I think now you are able to solve the question based on this. So do question based on this. In next video we will discuss the questions of NCERT as well as RS Agarwal. Thank you.